The word Ayurveda originated from a Sanskrit word, Ayur meaning life and Veda meaning knowledge. Ayurveda means the science of life. Nowadays, Ayurveda has become very popular. Patients from all over the world are coming to India for Ayurveda treatment. To get the admission in Ayurveda, you must have cleared 12th examination, preferably with Sanskrit or an examination equivalent thereto, or intermediate of any recognized board or university. The Ayurvedic College of India awards the degree of Ayurvedacharya or BAMS at the bachelor level. Candidates who have passed BAMS can apply for postgraduate programs. Job profiles. There is a good job opportunity in this field. An Ayurvedic practitioner can get employment as medical officer, doctor at government and private Ayurvedic hospital. One can start own practice or open one's own retail shop of Ayurveda medicine. One can find employment as supervisors in Panchakarma, Ayurvedic massage, health centers, as tutors, or do research, conduct workshop, seminars and retreats. Courses offered for Ayurveda: Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, Diploma in Ayurvedic Panchakarma, Diploma in Ayurveda Medicine, Diploma in Ayurvedic Massage. Certificate courses. Some institutions also offer certificate courses or pre-Ayurvedic courses of 1 year to 2 years. Eligibility needed for these courses is SSLC or matriculation, preferably with Sanskrit or an examination equivalent. The qualification required for entrance of 5.5 year bachelor degree course is 12th standard or any other equivalent examination recognized by the concerned state governments and education boards, provided the candidate passes the examination with 50% aggregate marks in the subject of physics, chemistry and biology. At the postgraduate level, there is specialization in 22 specialties leading to the award of MD Ayurveda or MS Ayurveda degree of 3 years duration after graduation is available. PhD degree in the concerned subject of specialization is also available after post-graduation in 3 to 7 years. Colleges offering admission in Ayurveda courses: JB Roy State Medical College, Kolkata; Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, Bangalore; Shri Dhanvantri Ayurvedic College, Chandigarh; Gujarat Ayurveda University, Jamnagar; State Ayurvedic College of Lucknow; Ayurvedic Medical College, Kolhapur; Shri Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur; Rishikul Government PG Ayurvedic College and Hospital, Haridwar; Dayanand Ayurvedic College, Jalandhar; Ashtang Ayurveda College, Indore, and many more.